Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sparkling Beauty. In today's video we will be doing Dior Beauty unboxing. I have this package arrived from Dior Beauty and we will see together what is inside. So one thing I want to mention that if you love those small very luxurious gifts that is made specially by the brands themselves like Dior, YSL, they have like little cute pouches. Sometimes they comes up with holiday small makeup bags or maybe stationery, sometimes some combs or mirror or different things with their little logos. I love collecting those. So if you love collecting those small things, then it is always good to order from the actual website rather than buying from maybe the retailers like Sephora or Shoppers, some other retailers. But you can always do that when you want to save some money because they have a lot of points, they have a lot of discount offers. That's why we love those retailers. But if you're a collector, if you love collecting those small goodies that they make during the holiday season or any special occasion, that it is always best to grab those items, like grab your favorite beauty products from the actual website like Dior, YSL. They have like, especially with Dior, every time there is any special occasion like Valentine's Day or maybe Mother's Day or any special day coming, holiday coming, they have the most gorgeous packaging and they have the most gorgeous small gifts like little comb, mirror, some stationaries, different things, different times. So I just love ordering from them. And they also provide you with small size makeup products. You can choose like a little sample of fragrance sometime, a lip gloss, and those packaging are just so gorgeous, so cute. I have another Dior unboxing I did in the past. You can watch that too. I will link it here. And now let's dive into today's box and see what we have inside. So finally, wow, look at that. That's the beauty of ordering from the website directly. Well, so this is how gorgeous it is, and that's the reason I love ordering from Dior website, how beautifully they send you. It is so gorgeous. Wow, well, this is all that I needed to see. Absolutely amazed by what I see here. Look at that. Woo, that's my beautiful, I think it's white denim, and that's white and gold pouch. Oh, I even forgot what was supposed to come, so I'm so happy. Yay! My blue denim pouch, which I use so much. It has a beautiful CD star, which is so cute. I use it all the time. And now I have this beautiful white one, which obviously I need to take great care of because obviously it is white and it is a makeup pouch, so there's a chance that it gets stained, but of course need to be cared. And then we have, what is this here? We're going to see it later. Let me show you what I ordered. I even forgot what I have here. Their eyeshadow. Okay, I wanted to try Dior eyeshadow for the longest time and feels like finally I got one. Let's see what I have here. Look at the packaging. Oh, it is gorgeous. And then ooh, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I don't know if you will find this anymore in the website, but if I find, I'll link it down below. So this is the most gorgeous shades, I believe. They have the beautiful silver and all kind of brown, gold, bronze shade. Beautiful. We need to swatch this, of course, but I don't know. Look at the design. It's totally like an art piece more than anything. I love it. Beautiful. I love this lipstick. So this is their Rouge Dior Forever lipstick. Always a big fan of this very matte black packaging. So let's see. Wow, that is the shade, and let's see. That is the shade. That is going to be, it's very matte. It's very matte, but look at the color. That's what I love. Looks like will be my everyday wear. Ooh, then we have this matte. So this is called Forever Liquid. This is the only one that I first time bought because I always wanted to try this, and I got it in Forever Sublime, which is 637. So something like that, and it is matte. It will dry down to matte and looks like a shade that I usually wear. Like both shades are my usual shades. Beautiful. This is the Face and Body foundation. I heard so much good things about it. So finally I got this Face and Matte. Oh, the bottle looks pretty small. I was expecting, I don't know why I was expecting a little larger. So that is 50 ml, and yeah, I will be trying this. This shade is for warm, so 4W, and I'll try it and let you know, guys. So this is like mostly today I'm doing this unboxing and showing you what you can actually get from, you know, the website, but we will do swatching another time. And this is finally this is the lilac blush, Dior lilac blush. Yeah, so I'm happy finally I got my hands on this. So this is their Rosy Glow blush poudre, and this, I'm not a big fan of the formula, but I really wanted to try this color. So the other one got really like hard panned very fast, but still got another shade. Just love it. Love how it looks actually, and want to try the lilac color. Got another blush here, and that is, let's see which one is this one. So this is, okay, this is the blush which is called their Poison. So Poison looked like a very pretty shade to me, and it's a matte blush. I'm always all about matte blushes, so got this one, Poison Matte. Looks very lovely. Oh, so I got another liquid lipstick which is transfer proof, and the shade is called 200, which is Forever Nude Touch. Looks like a very nice, that's how it is, how the shade looks. Very nice color. And last two things, these are gifts here, so I'm so excited. So this one is fragrance for men. This is actually a gift that came with this whole purchase. So I showed you, so this was a gift, this is a gift, and I assume this is a gift too, so we will see that at the end. I was getting all the stuff for me. I thought let's get something for my husband, and he loves Dior Sauvage so much, and this time there was a, you know, there was a chance to try this Elixir perfume, and this is a more stronger one, than the regular Dior Sauvage Eau de Perfume. So wow, look at that. So what I love about Dior is that whenever they give you a gift, it always comes in a very luxurious, beautiful packaging. How cute is that? That is Dior Sauvage Elixir. Okay, that is Elixir, which is a lot more stronger. Let's see if he likes it. So this would be a gift, small gift. And then we have this little beautiful box here. Oh, what? That's the gift Dior sent me. Oh my god, there's a Miss Dior fragrance. Is that cool? My daughter thinks that is cool too. She's just only 2 years old and she loves it. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love this.
Are you a Dior girl?
I find my princess.
You feel like a princess? Really?
Yeah.
So look, oh, I was not expecting. I got a perfume. Wow. Why not?
You surprise me?
You surprise you. Well, oh, see that.
You surprise me, guys. Okay.
What? We got this beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I got my hair the
Yeah?
nice, really nice photo today.
Oh, you're so cute. So this is what we got from Dior. They have a little Dior.
We got in house.
So they have this little Dior logo here, and this is actually, you can massage your scalp, I believe, with this.
Is it comfy?
I think you can totally massage your scalp with this one. And how cute is this? It's a pink quartz comb plus massage massager, I think. And then we have this Miss Dior. I'm so excited about this one. So that's a really good size. Oh, so that's a hair mist. Oh wow, so I got this hair mist from Miss Dior, which I'm so excited about. I'm still thinking many times to have my hands on this you know, hair mist. So this is perfume hair mist. So Miss Dior perfume hair mist. So this is a whole, yeah, a complete hair package. So your beautiful mist and a hair massage tool, and also I don't know what is this here. So they mentioned about the special gift here. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Dior. This is just amazing. And in this pouch we got 2 more products, so look at that. Finally, I also got this. This is a Miss Dior perfume. So I got the hair mist and now I got a perfume as well. I totally almost missed that and found that in the box. So that's a lot of gifts, and you know, it's just the cutest little Miss Dior bottle. Can you see that? What can be cuter than this? Absolutely in love with it. The most adorable bottle. I always want to save it. It's the cutest thing ever. I think this is the most beautiful Dior package I received, and then I got a J'adore perfume as well. That's the tester size, but I really appreciate that. So many gifts from Dior. So happy. So at this point, I don't know how to explain how excited and happy I am with all these gorgeous Dior gifts, and that's the reason I highly recommend you guys to try buying from the website, Dior website. They have the most gorgeous, most beautiful gifts ever. So can't tell you how happy I am. Can't tell you guys how happy I am with this whole Dior gifts. More than whatever I bought, I actually love the free gifts because they're so luxurious, they're so beautiful, they're special and unique because every time it is different and it's not something that everyone has. So it's like you're lucky to get it. So I love it. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you love today's video, if you want to see more Dior Beauty unboxing, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.